Hey YouTube, I'm Jonah, and today I'll show you how I installed my electronic deadbolt in my front entrance door.
Somebody forgot the key outside again. Jonah!
What? Again? That's the third time this year. I gotta fix that problem.
Yes, that's right. That's my wife complaining how I left my keys in the front door overnight again. And if you're new to my channel and you find my videos interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe.
Okay, stay tuned for the next DIY. I've gotta fix that problem.
So Lowe's hardware store had this Kwikset deadbolt for sale for only $64. Kwikset electronic keypad deadbolt. It says it accommodates up to 6 user codes. A one-time user code can set a temporary code and gets disabled after one use. It has an auto-locking feature that can be set to lock automatically for enhanced security. And a low battery alert illuminates to alert to signify when battery needs to be replaced, and uses 4 AA batteries. But don't take my word for it, read all instructions please. So before we start, let's check out my old deadbolt. So first I'll unscrew the 2 screws that hold my old deadbolt with my Phillips screwdriver. Oops, butterfingers. Then I remove 2 mounting plate screws. Then I remove the latch like so. Then from our Kwikset, I remove the mounting plate from the keypad assembly. And be careful of that red and white cable connector. Now I'll do a dry fit on my latch plate to see where my positions of the holes are. Notice that hole? It has to go about 1.5 inches to the left. The 3 holes are not yet centered. And notice the strike, it sticks out too much. Won't be able to close the door. So I'll have to chisel about 1 or 2 millimeters so that strike will be flush to the door. So the first thing I do is I mark off the edges so I know where to start off my chisel. So to extend the latch, notice this slot right here. Just twist the latch to 180 degrees position. Then you'll get the correct length of the latch. And there you go. Now all the holes are centered. Oh, just in time. My beautiful wife and daughter see me hard at work. So I took my bolts and tested out the two holes, left and right side. And notice this hole right here, the right side, the bolt did not go all the way through. Now that's a problem. If I force the bolt, it may strip it and it would be no good. I may have to return the whole set back to the store. So how did I fix that problem? Here's how. So I took the bolt and sprayed some lubricant right here. I had some of this stuff, but you can use oil or WD-40. Then I ran it in with my screwdriver a few times. And it finally came in nice and smooth, in and out. So don't make the same mistake I did. Notice the position of the latch and the position of the holes. This is the correct position when sliding it into the hole. The first time I put it upside down and I was wondering why my bolts did not line up. It took me 10 minutes to figure that out. So this was upside down and that's the wrong position. Then I slide in the latch. Make sure the latch is in the unlock position. Also notice the torque blade is in horizontal position. Now I install the keypad assembly, making sure my cable connector goes through the bottom and my torque blade goes through the center hole. Again, making sure the torque blade is in horizontal position. It only goes in that way because the latch is in the unlock position. Now I install the mounting plate, where the cable goes through the bottom hole and the torque blade goes through the center hole. Then I install the two mounting screws to the holes the left and right. Be patient, it may take a minute to line everything up. And hand start the screws before you use your Phillips screwdriver. And notice a little trick I used to keep the keypad assembly from moving. I taped it up. Now I'll take one of the keys to manually lock and unlock the bolt just to see if it works. Looking good. Now I'll install my 4 batteries, that's AA, into my interior assembly. And notice the beep sound. Then I connect the 2 cables together, matching red on red, white on white, making sure they're flushed when connected together. Then I make sure this horizontal torque blade goes into the slot right here. But before I do that, there's something I must do. I have to make sure this turn piece is in the left position, that's the unlock position. Then I just line it up and install it. Then I install the bottom screw by hand starting it first and then running it down with my Phillips screwdriver. Then I remove my battery cover and install the 2 designated screws. Oops, Butterfingers again. And finally, reinstalling the battery cover. Oh, I can't forget, screwing down the strike plate. So if you liked my video and found it helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. I'll be programming this electronic deadbolt.